Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have integration by substitution. So I will put about x equals to b over 2 minus u. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one, that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one, we have number 1. And now we just have only negative number 1. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, we put number 0 colon here to find the value of u. So u equals to b over 2. When s equals to b, so we put b colon here and we can find the value of u. That is about negative b over 2. So this one, we change for this one. B, we change for negative b over 2. S, we change for this one. And this one. The s, we change for negative du. Next, we have the formula in here. Cosine of b over 2 minus 8. We have sine 8. So this one, we change for sine 8, then that is about sine u. So this one, we can put like this. So we know that this one represents about 8. So this one, we need to transform into this one. And we have sine 8. Or maybe we can put about u minus sine u. Next, negative in here, we can swap the top and the bottom together. Now, let's consider about f of u. Now, if I put negative sign for u, we have like this. So we remember that we have the formula sine of negative 8 equals to negative sine 8. Now if I put the negative go outside everything in here, we have negative sine of u minus sine u. And this one, that is about f of u. So we can see that this is about odd function. And we know that the bounds, that is about symmetric. So this one, you got number 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.